Hurricane Helene live updates. Florida prepares for landfall and damaging winds. Hurricane Helene has strengthened to a Category 1 storm, targeting Florida's Big Bend area. Forecasts predict landfall on Thursday night, bringing concerns for coastal and inland areas. Damaging winds are expected to penetrate far into major metro areas like Atlanta, Georgia. Residents are urged to prepare for potential power outages and hazardous conditions ahead of the storm. Stay informed and prepared. Follow our updates for the latest news.